Wait a
And
second, Harry. May I
yes,
ask, when you plan your live stream,
let's go back to that.
how do you plan your live stream? Do you look at your calendar to see what holidays are coming up? Do you just base it on like some event that's around it? Inquiring minds want to know.
The answer to both is yes.
Oh,
You
okay.
could just you could just want to go live and express something that you've been going through. I know people that go live and they talk about the tech gear. They talk about a phone. They talk about a new piece of equipment that they have. These are my props that I'm going to be showing. They talk about something they learned. They talk about something that happened to them and hope it would resonate to a viewer. So it's pretty much yes to all of it. Just understand that you need to have a plan and